If you have been following the latest trends, you must have seen a new type of lamp appearing on almost every social media platform. These lamps are called moon lamps, and they are the next best thing for home decoration. These are very unique compared to any other decorative lights you have seen so far. Are many products available to choose from best moon lamp, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best moon lamp from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Loggertate Moon Lamp. We will begin our picks with one of the highest selling options on the market right now, produced by Loggertate. As this option is such a popular choice, you should definitely take a look, as it might be perfect for you as well. The Loggertate Moon Lamp. It is a basic moon lamp with a 4.8 inches bulb that rests on a designer stand. It is made with 3D printing, so you will certainly get a perfectly spherical shaped lamp with closed sides. And to offer more decorative options, it also features 16 different color modes, which can be controlled via a dedicated remote control. The remote control works within a range of 30 feet, which allows you to control the light even from a different room. It is a battery-powered option that can be recharged directly via your computer, power bank, or laptop via the USB connection. Loggertate also offers 24/7 support for their products, so that you can always contact the brand to get technical support. Number 2. Mind-Glowing Moon Lamp. Mind-Glowing is also a very popular brand that designed various kinds of attractive light bulbs and lamps. The following option from Mind-Glowing is definitely worth checking out. We are offering one more highly affordable option from our picks. This moon lamp is also a basic lamp made by Mind-Glowing. The Mind-Glowing rechargeable night light features a 4.7 inches bulb placed on a similarly designed wooden stand as our last pick. But the bulb allows direct touch controls to turn it on/off. The texture of the bulb exactly replicates the look of the moon as seen from Earth. The rechargeable night light is powered by a rechargeable battery and offers about 15 hours of battery life once fully charged. It is enough to last the whole night without having to connect a charger in between. You also get a dimmer function within 16 different color modes, so that you can use the device as a night lamp. The variations on the Mind-Glowing rechargeable night light include 16 different colors, 5 working modes, and 5 brightness levels for each model. Number 3. Vgazer Levitating Moon Lamp. This lamp is made by Vgazer, which is certainly a premium option. The Vgazer Levitating Moon Lamp is definitely going to be one of the best additions in your house, as far as decorative items are considered. It comes with a base that uses a magnetic levitation technique to keep the bulb floating mid-air. Apart from floating, you can also spin the light bulb, and it will keep spinning indefinitely. Printed using 3D printing technology, Vgazer has managed to replicate the moon's surface on the lamp to create the best effect. The Vgazer Levitating Moon Lamp is 6 inches in diameter and offers 3 different color modes that are white, warm yellow, and a seamless transition between the two. As the base requires continuous power, you will have to keep it connected to a wall outlet via the cord provided with the package. It uses wireless power transmission technology to power the LEDs, so that there is little to no chance of damage until the base is secured. You also get touch access with the Vgazer Levitating Moon Lamp. Number 4. Toque Levitating Moon Lamp. We have one more levitating moon lamp to offer you from Toque. This unit is also quite premium, but offers a simple yet elegant design. If you are looking for an eye-catching showpiece for your living room, you will definitely like the Levitating Moon Lamp from Toque. The Toque Levitating Moon Lamp does not stand out a lot with its simplistic design, but certainly catches the attention of observers with a wooden magnetic base and an exact replica of the moon for the bulb. It is 5.9 inches in size, which means it can actually be used as a light source. The Toque Levitating Moon Lamp offers 2 different color settings that include white and yellow colors. The base of the Toque Levitating Moon Lamp uses an upgraded magnetic levitation base, which does not take a long time to set up. Once you set up the bulb over the base, it will automatically start within 5 seconds via wireless power transfer. Number 5. Bright World Moon Lamp. Now that you have seen a variety of options for compact basic moon lamps, it is time to bring the following option from Bright World to the table. This moon lamp comes with 3.5 inches LED bulb that rests on a designer stand and has superior cutting-edge 3D printed technology to portray the real moon's surface. Its mini touch switch let you use and control the lamp easily. The special ceramic hand base will make it look similar to a true moon held in your hands. It offers 2 different color settings that include yellow and white colors. You can change the cool white and warm yellow by short tapping the smart button. Tap the lamp or long press the lamp for physical control. However, tapping changes the color modes on the lamp, whereas the long press changes its brightness levels. While its built-in 280 mAh lithium polymer rechargeable battery inside the moon will get quickly charged within 2-3 hours, and use a 24 hours based on the brightness. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.